What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I want to share with you these steps basically broken down in just plain numbers and really just show you the really simple way to basically go from 0 to 50 to 100, and this could be even scaled higher than that with doing just YouTube live streams for pay-per-call affiliate offers, and then also taking the data that you're getting from these types of offers and these campaigns and how many phone calls and traffic that you're generating, and basically using that to get clients so that way you can have high ticket sales coming in and then essentially just continue growing and scaling your business. So in a second, we're gonna hop into my computer and break this all down. But by the way, if you are new here and you like what you see, be sure to go down below and subscribe, and also smash the bell for notifications so that way you know when all the newest content comes live here on my channel. Talk a lot about pay-per-call affiliate marketing as well as just digital marketing as a whole. My primary business is my digital marketing agency, and then I do pay-per-call affiliate offers, as well as just the traditional affiliate marketing with recommending products and services that I use in my business, and a whole host of other cool stuff like that. So if you're not already subscribed, go down below and subscribe, and let's roll into the training. So let's calculate the profitability of the churn and burn method with YouTube live streams. So let's say we are going to do 20 videos in a day, and we're going to do this in about 3 hours of focused work. And by focused, I mean basically setting your phone in another room, closing out all other tabs except for your YouTube dashboard, and then making sure every other program on your computer is turned off with the exception of the live stream software you're using. Because with scrolling through randomly on social media, every single second that you're doing that is a second of your time that is gone forever that could have been spent building and growing and progressing your business. And so in these 3 hours, what you'd want to be able to do is ideally get 6 to 7 videos, maybe even 8 up per hour. While you're waiting for the videos to render, you can switch over to another channel, switch over to another browser, and you can basically be using Google Maps to find the other cities that you are targeting, and then just keep plugging away. And so since we're doing 20 videos in a day, let's say we're on the very, very low end and only one of these videos sticks at the top. Very, very, very low ratio, but we're gonna look at very low estimates on this one. So let's say that these are super low competition keywords and they only get 10 searches per month, which for most of the cities where you're able to rank a YouTube video at the tip top without any backlinks, without anything else going on, that is probably pretty average. So you have 10 a month that search. And so what that comes down to is 0.33 per day, or basically one person going to those searches every 3 days. This is not high volume traffic. However, we are ranking these for basically next to nothing with the exception of a few minutes of our time on each one of these videos. And let's say 30% of those people that are searching turn into phone calls. So that would basically be 3 phone calls per month. And being as the searches are very, very targeted for what we are showing up for with our listings and our content, we'll say on average maybe 33% of these calls will convert. And one conversion per month, keep the math easy, we'll just say $50 per qualified phone call. So that is $50 per month. That does not sound like a lot of money. However, and continually doing this for say 2 months time, you're creating so much content, and as long as everything is optimized through the whole system as far as getting people to make the phone call, and that the call system is dialed in when it comes to converting people on the phone, this is definitely not out of line. Now that $50 per day does not sound like a ton, but this is essentially passive, and that's generating about $1,500 per month. And so with that $1,500 profit, what you'd want to do ideally, of course, is build a website. Again, I always recommend 3 themes, and then just continue creating more and more sites. With the 3 Architect, that's $100, and that gives you licenses for up to 5 websites, which you could create 5 more affiliate sites, or you could start building sites for clients, however you prefer. Obviously, the clients are going to be paying you upfront before you build the site, so that gives you a good surplus of cash beforehand. But let's just say we're going to build 5 more affiliate sites, so that's going to be roughly $56 or $57 for domains, and for the first month's hosting, that is going to be 5 cents with the 1 cent promo using HostGator, so that's going to be about $160 out of that. And from there, it is all about content creation, just like mentioned in the previous video with YouTube live streaming. When you're creating a website, you're creating content online to get free traffic, because what we want to do is do the same thing that we're doing with our websites, is to rank our site for the search results. Obviously, with the lower competition keywords, you can rank with a lot less as far as resources go when it comes to SEO in regards to backlinks and all of that sort of stuff, which do have a cost to them. You can build out as many landing pages for the cities and the services that you are trying to rank and get traffic and phone calls coming in. Aside from the website, another thing that you could do for, say, $25 per day, and that's on the high end, but have a VA do this whole process for you. For, say, $5 to $7 per hour, a VA can basically do this, and you're able to then essentially replicate yourself, and this process continues to work while you work on the more important tasks, because you've now officially leveled up when it comes to running a business. Your time is more valuable building out sites than it is to be churning out YouTube live stream videos. So from there, you can then move to the more advanced traffic sources that you can use to really scale up and increase this number right here to whatever it is that you want it to be. You could put it towards AdWords with call-only campaigns. You could start doing SEO on your newly created sites. You could throw a curveball into the mix and start advertising to get clients, because what that's going to do is create high ticket sales for you, where you could start doing $1,500 in a day's time. You could start building websites for them. You could show them your affiliate sites and say, hey, yeah, we built these out. And then you can also get them signed on board for marketing services when you can show them stats from the calls that you've been generating through all of this work that you did back here. Could the numbers be higher? Yes, certainly. It just really varies depending on the cities that you're trying to rank, the niches that you're trying to rank, and the competition levels, all of that type of stuff. Those figures can really vary quite a bit. But what really matters is just consistently doing this day in and day out until you hit success. And then what you can do with the profits from clients is invest more into driving traffic to your pay-per-call offers, whether that's through AdWords, through SEO. The possibilities are truly endless with this. It just really comes down to sticking with consistency, getting that base foundation set, and then just build from there. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the Facebook group, and I will see you over in the next video.